final presentation for data visualization subject certification course in business analytics, batch 4, Indian School of Business, Hyderabad. Group member names are Ankit Srivastava, Munish Kumar Arora, Ashish Jain. We have taken data from the World Bank, and data varies from 1960s to 2012, and these data available for many other countries for various indicators. So in the first dashboard, we have tried to identify the relation between GDP and openness to a trade in a particular country. So we have created a first graph which is openness trade by the percentage, in which we have tried to identify the relation between average openness to a trade and average log of GDP per capita for a particular country. As you are able to see, there are many countries available in a different colors, which shows those numbers. Like for Sri Lanka, this is average openness to trade is 48.1 and average log of GDP per capita is 9.0. In other graph, we have tried to show openness trade by year, the same parameters but in respect to the year, in which we have tried to show the data from 1999 to 2012 for the particular countries. If we select some countries like United States, those number will change, and if we try to some countries like to those countries Vietnam, some Japan or Nigeria, those numbers will change accordingly. If we have tried to mine the data for the World Bank, and we have created a word cloud in which we come up to know that United States, China and Germany were the major economies in the world, and as your same numbers will also reflect in the same result will match with that. We have tried to create a heat map for percent of export import by major nations, and if you see the export data, China is the major nation who done the export, then United Nations, then Germany. Same way for the import, we can say in the import data, United States is a major player, then China, then Germany. This is the end for the dashboard 1. If we go in the second dashboard, we have tried to identify the relation between developing countries and developed countries. We have taken a various indicators, which is GDP growth annual percentage, imports of goods and services, life expectancy at birth, literacy rate, poverty headcount ratio. We have taken a top 3 developed countries as USA, Japan and Germany, and top 3 developing countries are China, India and Brazil. We have created a line graphs for all those comparison between various indicators, and as you're able to see for GDP, we have seen like from 2000 to 2005 and 7 it was rising, then suddenly from 2007 to 2009 it is go towards downwards. As you're able to know that 2009 was a year in which all over the world GDP was gone down due to some recession and some other various factors. So that was also present in this graph. Like for see for the Brazil it was a minus, and same way you can see for the Japan also. In the later we have tried to identify those countries, those are 6 nations in those geographical order, in which we can say the Germany and their value of trade. Thanks, that's for the industry presentation.